Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka niweevathulana vyu na uneeni wa ndongoi ya Azimio Raila Odinga kana vena vata uneenan'ya wa ndongoi cia ulei na silikali nokana kukwatiania nthini wa mawalyuku mutongoi ala muika wa Gen Z uenda President William Ruto eke na mituki. Kalonzo anena itina utongoi cia umbano wanza manene ya Wiper kwiyo munthi na aweta ndai konya na uneenan'ya ula waweta wina kielelo cha uthambia kiko cha silikali ya OU bala wakulia President William Ruto avunzie mbunge na mituki na kula imbia itoewa nokana amwino chemusie tene na tene kwa mauo. Benjamin Mwaka ni watu naengelelia mauvo.
We are ready to engage so that we find a solution to this problem as Azimio Kenya.
I welcome all the leaders here, and I have heard what they have said this morning, and all other stakeholders working together for us to address the current economic situation through a broad-based political arrangement and to rally the country forward.
Uwani wao unai wasi wa ndongoi ya ODM Raila Odinga na President William Ruto kwi iyo. Na yu Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka kwi umunthe niweevathulana kwivathulana na uneeni wa iweta ni ndeto cia Raila ewe kata mundu na usutiwe muungamo wa ateti nthini ngwatanio ya Azimio aiweto na ndeyo mbanije kwikonya vanini na uneenan'ya wa ulei na silikali wa kukwatiania utongoi silikalini uneenan'ya ula President William Ruto unaovithuia wenziani kwi iyo.
We have no comments on such a thing. Yes. We don't know.
We are not aware.
We are not aware.
We are not part of it.
All right. We are not aware. All right. What Kenyans are saying is go home.
Kalonzo nolo atongoi umbano wa NEC ya chama cha Wiper kwi umuthi nwalumilelia sindu ila muika wa Gen Z ukulia silikali yani sie uenda uneenan'ya kana ngwatanio ona vanini ni kwithwa ni maundu President waile kwithwa eaneisie na tene.
Generation Z does not wish to engage in dialogue. They want action, and Wiper agrees. You don't need dialogue. Dialogue is not required to assess public debt because the Auditor General's office has the same role. You do not need dialogue to post medical interns or to sack corrupt government officials.
And I'm sure that Honorable Raila Odinga himself will be willing to convene us so that we, because he's a party leader, we can then clearly discuss with him that Kenyans are saying they don't need dialogue. There have been too many dialogues so far. So, and really this dragging of feet, we don't want to be seen to be sanitizing a regime that has fallen flat on his own tummy. So we are not about to do that.
Na yu Wiper yenda President William Ruto havunzie mbunge na unyuvani munini uitwaiwa.
The dialogue Gen Z and Kenyans are demanding is that Parliament stands dissolved, a snap election be called, and that Ruto go home safe.
Ona ouwe ovo humbanoni Wiper ni atwa kumosia matambi mavyuma kimiao ayumbe mo alama na uvutukilisia mwiao wakina ndo mwaka wa ngilile na meongweli na ina na muyumbe wambe kuyethila vathuku ni muyumbe wa Dadab Fara Maalim ulonote wakukuna kula ya kuitikila mutilatala uo omituki weisililwa kwithwa anatelemilia kumoa muika majensi ngili 5 kila muthenya kethwa oyuno wa musumbe. Wiper thiweta nongina au menzamani sionthe cia mbunge vamwe na aivetangwa mwana wa speaker wa Kavinda mbungeni akati.
The 4 received invitations to attend today's NEC meeting. They all failed to attend. Their cases have been referred to the party's disciplinary committee. NEC decisions is that the Honorable Fara Maalim be de-whipped from all committees in Parliament, including the Speaker's panel. NEC also recommends the expulsion from the party to the National Delegates Convention, NDC, the supreme organ of the party.
Vilingwa mauvo va kauntini ya Ilovi nye nito Benjamin Mwaka.